Hi guys, how are you all doing? Today's video I have a couple of stuff that I wanted to restore from my mother-in-law's house that we wanted to keep. Okay, let's get started. So I have this acrylic paints that I found here in the house and decided to use for this project. I mixed the acrylic paints to make the tan color. And then I started painting those pieces, but make sure to wipe it off first. This is one of the stuff from my mother-in-law's house that it caught my attention and saw the potential if I would do makeover of this one. I didn't do any special preparation for this, but others will do like sanding it, but I'm kind of lazy for that. So I've got my first coat here and I'm gonna do my second coat after that dries out, and it was really fast drying, but I waited until completely dried. After my second coat completely dried, I've got a dark brown acrylic paint and did the dry brushing technique. When you dry brushing, wipe it off the excess paint on the paper towel, then apply it to your piece. Okay, this will give you the effect of weathered look. I didn't have a video of me dry brushing of white paint, so this is what it looked like. I could have stopped here and happy to this result, but I remember I have a chalk paint from Shabby Chic paint. So I wanted to try it and apply it to my pieces with same technique, a dry brushing. Also, I have the antiquing wax to apply it on. I've got my special brush to rub it off and spread the wax onto my piece. So technically, the acrylic paints makes it a good primer for this project. Another pieces we've got to do makeover are those chairs from my mother-in-law's house. We first wipe those off with orange glow and wipe off those smoke from the fire. This orange glow really works at specialty degrees. I use this for our vent hoods sometimes. We vacuum it and use our Bissell to clean the fabric. Okay, first, we thought if we could clean it and maybe it really looks good, but we realized that we didn't really like the print floral. Second, we wanted to try for ourselves to do reupholstering it, and we've got fabric ready, but it looked like only professional can do that because of the back of the chairs. There's foam and etc. We don't want to mess it up. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, but we tried our best to clean the fabric, but we decided to go to the professional and Mr. Thomas from Coldwater, who lives 45 minutes away from us, did reupholster those chairs. Remember the acrylic paints for the first project of this video? I've got leftover of that and used that for the wood of these chairs. I kinda like dry brushing it and also did 2 coats. Again, I could have stopped here, but I like using the chalk paint and enjoyed applying it.